Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Okay, children, so we came to know that now from France became from monarchy to a republic. So the king was not happy. He was not happy at all. So he very secretly made a meeting with the king of Persia so that he could attack and had a war with the people. But people also came to know about that. The people of the France, they formed various political groups. They formed various political groups to discuss and encourage people for the revolution. But the most important political club was Jacobin Club. It was the most famous and the people belonging to this group were known as Jacobinites. So the leader was Maximilian Robespierre. He was the leader and he was a very dominant and very good administrator, and he led the group very good. Then they member the Jacobinites they have to wear long stripped trousers. Stripped trousers at a this was a proper dress, and they had a red caps on their head. Why the color red is there? Because the red color symbolizes liberty. So they were symbolizing liberty, freedom as the main motto of the Jacobin Club. So after that, on August 10th, the Palace of Tuileries, the people attacked the Palace of Tuileries and they killed the guards over there. The king's guard, they killed the guard because they came to know about the conspiracy, because the king was wanting to attack them. So they attacked the king at the Palace of Tuileries and they killed his guards, and the king was his wife was taken as the hostages. Okay, so then these people, political groups, they formed a new assembly, and the name of the assembly was Convention. Okay, the new elected assembly was named as Convention. The people, the common people were the member, and on 21st January 1793, 21st century 1793, the king and his wife were publicly beheaded. They were punished publicly in the front of all the people. Publicly, they were killed. They were beheaded by a very special machine that is called glutenide machine. It was basically two poles and one blade. The two poles were like that, and one blade falls upon the head of the culprit, and the culprit becomes the beheaded. So in the same way, the leader Maximilian, he introduced by a machine, glutenide machine, and the people were beheaded who were found guilty. After, first of all, the king and his wife were beheaded publicly. After that, people who were against the nation, against the party, or found guilty of any crime, they were glutenide publicly. But this became a reign of terror. The people were terrified. They were afraid whatever a slight mistake they committed or done, they will all be glutenide publicly. And the leader Maximilian was very rude and very strict in his policies. Then initially people were liking him, but after his dominant and dictatorship, they didn't like him. And after the people of the party found that he is himself not able to look after the matter, he is treacherous in his policies, Maximilian was also glutenide by the people of France. So, and the one more important aspect of the French Revolution was that the women, what was the role of women in the revolution? The women were always were the active participant of the revolution. They did many revolts, formed many political clubs for their right. They fought for their and they actively participated in this revolt. They got proper education, higher education. They were now getting higher education, and they were engaged in the domestic work during the wartime. They were the earning members. When the men has gone to the war, they were earning member of their family. They were doing the domestic work like cleaning the houses, like being a servant or maid to the house, a fruit seller, flower seller. So these were doing so small things. But after the revolution also, the condition of the women never changed. They were not given the right to vote. But they struggled, they formed so many political parties and everything, and after a period of 100 years, they got the right to vote. Ultimately, after a long struggle and a long period, they got the right to vote after the 100 years. So children, we were knowing that the France was practicing slavery or the feudal system. What was happening in the feudal system? The black men were kidnapped from the Caribbean islands. They were kidnapped forcefully. They were kidnapped from the Caribbean islands, and they were forced to work at the plantation farms. They were sold to the plantation owners. And what is plantation farms? Where the tobacco, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, all these crops are planted and harvested at a large land piece, and it is known as cash crop. And these are the large plantation farms. These were black people were sold and they were bound to work in these farms. But then Napoleon Bonaparte, a military leader, was in France. He everything, abolition of slavery was there, everything was there, but he reintroduced slavery, and the slavery was started being practiced in France. But in 1848 there was a law, the act was passed, Abolition of Slavery Act. Slavery was abolished in 1848 after that. And declaration of rights were there. Declaration, the rights were given to the people, a republic was formed, and there was no censorship. Censorship means before doing anything we have to take permission or ask something about that, but now the people are free to do whatever they want to do, and they don't have to ask anybody. Freedom of press. Press means newspaper, media, radio, everything at that time. They were free to publish or present whatever they feel right or wrong. So, and Napoleon, we know that, was a very enabled military general. He was a dictator basically. So he came to in power in France, and in 1804 he crowned himself as the emperor of France. Napoleon Bonaparte, he crowned himself, and people initially liked his policies in the early period. He was a good administrator. He made many laws for the people, standardization of the laws and the weights in the market and the prices, uniformity. He brought uniformity in the people, in the market, economic policies. But he was a dictator. He was a military ruler. His policies were forcefully levied on the people, and people were not liking him at last. And after that, in 1815, there was a battle of Waterloo, in which the other countries, they banged up against Napoleon Bonaparte, and Napoleon was defeated in the battle of Waterloo. So this was the thing, how France abolished slavery, how they got the rights, freedom of the press, women got the voting rights after 100 years. So these were big changes for the world to experience what France has gone through, and there was entire change in their government from monarchy to a republic, and other nations also took a great example of the France, and they also started basically, especially in India, our philosopher leader followed, and many leaders were influenced by this French Revolution. So children, we have gone through a brief description of the French Revolution, and I hope you have understood. So to sum up the lesson, I have very short questions for you, so that along with the textual question, you must be doing this very short question in your copies. So these are also very important, very short questions. First one is, in how many states were the people of France were divided? In how many states? Everything is in the video. If you go through the video, and if you have noted down, paid attention, you must be knowing how many states were the people of France were divided. Second question, name the two taxes, explain them. What were the two main taxes that were taken from the people, and explain them. Question number 3, give names of the three philosophers. Who were the three main philosophers? Though those who inspired the people, educated them, everything. For the French Revolution, you have to give their names, or whatever books they have written, you have to mention it also. Question number 4. What were Jacobin clubs? As I have explained you about the Jacobin clubs, what were they doing, how, what are the dressing they were doing, everything you have to tell in the answer. Question number 5. What was reign of terror? What was this reign of terror? Why were the people afraid? What was the thing responsible for the reign of terror? Last question. Discuss the role of Napoleon Bonaparte. What he was doing at that time in France. Discuss his role, his importance, what changes he has brought down, and what got against him. So children, these all the 6 questions, short questions, that it are compulsory for you to do with the textual questions. So I hope that you have understood, and best of luck to do this chapter, and again we will meet with the next chapter. Thank you.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.